Hi! This is different. This is my house. Well, my kitchen anyway. My name is Patrick. If you're watching this, this is the Talk Chasers YouTube channel. I've been off camera for a while, but I've decided to finally do some video making and storytelling as we start the build process of my E36 BMW. Today we are having Russell from Ultimate Windscreens come and fit the windscreen. I'm really excited about that. The current one is really nastily cracked, shattered basically the whole of the bottom corner of it on the left hand corner, passenger side, pretty much all the way to the middle of the window screen. And yeah, so that's happening today. As well as that, we're gonna head over to the guys at Alpha Performance Fabrication, previously known as JC Wellfab, so they've changed names. So we're gonna head over there, have a chat with those guys about some stuff that we can do for the 36. But yeah, welcome back to Talk Chasers. Welcome back to me. I still have slightly blonde floppy hat hair. I hope you enjoy the little journey we're gonna embark on to build up the E36. And yeah, welcome back. Right, I'm gonna make some lunch, but I'm not gonna do that YouTuber thing and film it. Ah, I've just cut myself, that really hurt. I dropped my sausage. Ah, you bastard. What do you do in this situation? I've just cut myself with scissors. I've dropped my sausage, and now I can't remember which sausage it was.
All down here usually gets all ruined.
And it's not.
And it's not, so we're good.
That's because this is a good BMW. So like I was saying earlier, we have got Russ from Ultimate Windscreens in today to sort out the windscreen that is completely shattered on the E36. I had it in my head that I wanted to get Russ to do the windscreen because he is a legend, the myth, the man and the legend that is Russ from Ultimate Windscreens. I knew I wanted to get him to do it. Let me introduce you to Russ and then we'll cut into a cinematic edit of everything that Russ has done this morning. Hi Russ!
Hello!
How are you, mate?
Good.
Now you're not shy of camera because you've done some camera stuff before, so I'm more than happy to stick this in your face.
Thanks.
How are you?
Very well.
Give us a quick background on Ultimate Windscreens.
Been trading 8 years. I started off with one of the national companies. Unfortunately they went into receivership in 2011. I carried on my own. And we are here today, really.
Absolutely.
That's about it.
The windscreen before had like a green tint on the top. I've opted to not have that because I'm going to put a windscreen banner on it, courtesy of Psychographics. So Russ kindly offered me the option to have one, but I didn't choose that. I've got the 5% more horsepower Ultimate Windscreen sticker in the car. That is a necessity. It just looks absolutely fantastic. So without further ado, follow this man on Instagram, Facebook, wherever it is. This video, I hope, I'll leave some links in the description for you to go and find him on the social media platforms and stuff. And without further ado, let's crack on with a cinematic edit of that going in. Good, excellent. That is unbelievably satisfying. I can't wait to get that out. So let's just give you a little walk around of the window screen. I haven't got a ND filter in here, so there are loads of reflections. But Russ also ordered me brand new rubbers. So all of the rubbers around the outside of the windscreen are brand new. Now, don't know about you, I like me a rubber. And that is new and very, very sexy. It just makes the whole car look newer, and I think the green tint was something very 90s. Would you say, Russ, the green tint on the top of the window screen quite 90s?
It is, yeah. Some people like it.
Yeah.
I don't mind it personally because I think it suits the era of the car.
Yeah.
And I can understand if you're having the sun strip across the top, there's no need for it.
No need for it.
So you're going to lose it anyway.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's I think you have to put a new trim on those anyway.
Yeah.
We potentially could have saved the old one and reused it, but I mean it's brittle. You saw it.
Yeah, it basically cracked off. Yeah.
So it's not worth trying.
No.
You know, for the cost that's involved, you may as well just put a new one on.
Absolutely.
You know, it just complements everything else.
100%. Oh, it looks so sexy. So goddamn sexy. Right, so I'm going to head out now to go to Alpha Performance Fabrication over in Wellingborough, and I'm probably going to stop off and see Colour Craft for a bit, so I shall pick the camera back up when we're at Alpha Performance, and yeah, let's crack on with the day. I'm sorry if this is a bit random, as in like what I'm saying, because I haven't done this in a while, so just got to get back into the groove, you know? Okay, let's go.
So what I effectively want to do is I'm not going to change the design too much, okay, because it works.
Yeah.
But you've got plastic end caps and stuff like that. It's just not it's not good for like heat rejection and stuff like that. So I'll make something very, very similar.
Okay.
In all aluminium, like brushed aluminium.
Yeah, come on.
I'd rather not.
No, because if we're going to film a video, you're going to have to go on camera.
We're not.
Well, you are, because I'm going to come back and we're going to film some stuff. Welding.
We'll do it then.
Oh.
If I've got my lid on.
No, because I'm just going to. No.
You can film away.
Good thing I'm already filming.
No.
Hi, Mike.
How are you doing?
I'm right, mate. You?
Good, yeah. Loving it. Working on a race car, so living the dream.
Living the bloody dream, mate.
The absolute dream.
What are you working on here?
This is a Formula Ford 1600. It's actually one of my competitors, so.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, you were saying earlier before we turned the camera on, you've raced Formula Ford for many years.
Yes, yeah, I think 5 years. We've won the Walter Hayes Trophy 2 years in a row. So
wow, that's awesome.
This year it'd be rude not to go for the hat trick. So.
Absolutely.
Yeah, but
so you're just currently test fitting an exhaust on?
Yeah.
That you've fabricated up?
Yeah, we've done the stepped exhaust system. So again, we've done countless ones of these now. Probably done half the grid, to be totally honest with you.
Really?
But, yeah, radiators for them as well. We do a lot of radiators for these guys. A lot of stepped exhaust systems and everything else. So yes.
Nice.
Yeah, it's all good stuff.
Awesome. So the reason why I'm here today is because the lads down at Alpha Performance Fabrication are going to be making me some custom bits, some custom shiny bits for my car. We've just measured up the front of the car for the radiator. At the front of the car we're going to be going all brushed, is it brushed aluminium?
Brushed aluminium.
Brushed aluminium with some cool aluminium pipes as well, hard pipes, water pipes. So it's going to be savage. It's going to look so cool with like a APF logo on the front as well. So it's going to be really cool. So we've just measured that up. Yeah, this place is amazing. They do custom exhaust, custom cages, chassis work, Pretty much anything you can think of fabrication wise, they will do. Really, really cool company. A lot of cool stuff that I can't really say on camera. Classic, all the cool stuff you're not really allowed to say on camera, but some insane bits that they've worked on and currently work on and still work with for the foreseeable future. So we're here today measuring up my E36 for a new radiator, and very excited because we're going to be doing some more fabrication work for the Paddock Motors X Torque E36 / race car, because that's what it is. So that was absolutely dope. Mike and Dean, really good lads, really excited to do some fabrication work with them on the E36. I haven't really told you what the plan is yet. I guess I'll do that when I go for the drive tomorrow. I don't know when this will be live, but I'm going to Paddock Motors to do some MOT servicing stuff, general bits and bobs. I'm going to be doing a full video on where I've been, what I've been up to on the way down. So yeah, really excited to do some work with the Alpha boys. Really good bunch of lads, really excited. I think I'm going to finish the vlog there. Like I said, this is kind of a new start to Talk Chasers, new start to me, Patrick. And again, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you're not already part of the Talk Nation, hit that subscribe button, join the fam, and yeah, I shall catch you in a bit. Peace out.